afternoon children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Myself Sanjukta, working as a science teacher in VSP Walter branch. So today we are going to deal with class 1 EVS, how we travel. The lesson name is how we travel. So children, travel means to go from place to place. Earlier, people had to walk to go to wherever they want, isn't it? Yes. Nowadays, we are using vehicles to go to different places. See here, some of them are vehicles here like a car, bus, bicycle, motorbikes, isn't it? Auto rickshaw, jeep, trucks. So these are the vehicles that we use to go from place to place. So see here, if I want to go within the city, I can go by bicycle, car or bike. To go smaller distances, I can go by walk because walking is a good exercise. If I want to go out of the city, I go by car or by bus, isn't it? And to go to far off places, I can go by train or by aeroplane, isn't it? And also I can take my belongings also with me. Clear children? So see here, means of transport. To go somewhere, we need some means to transport. So see here, there are different ways of traveling from place to place, from one place to another place. They are known as means of transport. So they can be used on land, on water and on air. So three types of transport is there: land transport, water transport, air transport. Let's see now about land transport. So these are the land transport. The transport that we are using on land are called land transport. This is a bus, car. This is one more car, isn't it? This is bike, motorbikes. This is tractors, isn't it? This is used for animals to transport. So those are that using on land we use to transport, they are called land transport. Even the rail trains and all, isn't it? Those are all land transport. So here in the land transport, what we do? In some cities there are like local trains are also there, isn't it? Trucks are used to carry goods from one place to another places, isn't it children? So these are all land transport. Villagers, you might have seen, villagers uses bullock carts to travel. So this is a bullock carts to travel on land. And the next one is water transport. These are all water transport. See here, the boat, motor boat, houseboat, sailboat, isn't it? Hydrofoil, hovercraft, paddle boat, cruise ship, submarine, sailing ship. These are all water transport. The transport that we use on water is called water transport. Okay children, we can carry goods from one place to another place, like heavy objects from one place to another place also by cruise ship, isn't it? To go to far off places also we can go by ship, by water and by water transport. But to go to smaller distances we can go by boat. Third one is air transport. These are all air transport. Air transport like aeroplane, helicopters, isn't it? So they are all fly in the sky, isn't it? So they are used as a air transport. We also can carry goods along with us and we can go by aeroplane, isn't it? And like helicopters, only few people can sit on helicopters. Okay children? So see, these are all about land transport, water transport and air transport. So we can, sometimes people they use animals as means of transport. See here, this is a elephant, how people are going, and this is a camel. This person, he used animals to travel, and here they use some bullock carts, isn't it? So these all are the animals that are used for transporting. Okay children, so this is all about transport and how we can travel. So here I have some question also for you, like match the following. Column A and column B. In column A, first one, train, bus, bullock cart. In column B, air transport, animals means of transport, water transport and land transport. So first one, train, bus, bullock cart is used for which transport they belong to? They are belong to land transport. So one is D. One is D. Okay. Second one, ship, boat, sailing boat. They are all water transport. 2 is C. Third one, aeroplane, helicopter. They are air transport. A. Okay. Fourth one, camels, mules, elephants. They are animals means of transport. So fourth one is B. Okay children, this is the questions and all about transport, how we can travel. Thank you children.